There's a simple, easy way to set up a landing page for your website, frustration-free. It's the perfect tool to have to showcase a new product or something you're offering to your email list for free to get people to subscribe. So let's go ahead and set one up. Hey there, I'm Danielle, web and graphic designer, bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. So today we're going to be working on creating just a nice simple little email landing page for growing your email list. And you can take this landing page idea and run with it. Anything that you'd like to have that be the only thing on the page, you are completely able to edit and create with this. Now there's one thing to keep in mind. The plugin I'm about to show you has a free and a paid version. The paid version, of course, has the option to use everything that they have to offer. The free version has you a little more limited, but it's always nice to be able to have this free plugin to start working with getting some easily edited pages up, and then you are able to upgrade later on when you like. There's a really awesome free tool that you can use to set up a landing page. It's called Elementor. So to add that, we're going to go to Plugins and Add New. We're going to type in Elementor in the search box, and then we're going to install this Elementor page builder, and then we're going to activate it. If you want, you can check out this getting started guide. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to Pages and Add New. So over here on the right, you're going to see a couple things. And the first thing we're going to do, since this is a landing page, the goal we want is for someone to not be able to do anything but either close the page or opt into what we're offering them. And give too many extra links and it's not going to pan out. So we're going to click over here. You'll see template. You're going to want Elementor Canvas. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a title. We're going to publish. Now we're going to click Edit with Elementor. And it's going to load a new page. And now you'll see it's completely blank. So the first thing we're going to do is set the background. So the first thing we want to add is the heading. So we're going to add this, just click and drag over here, and it adds it in. So we're going to go ahead and change our title. From here, with this box selected, you can edit the text. If you want it to go to a link, you can put that in here. If you want to change the tag, because all of these are going to have different preset sizes. And over here on styles, you can change the color. So we're going to actually go ahead and change this. We're going to go ahead and change this color to one that matches our coming soon page we've made. That way it sticks with our brand. And this is where you can change under typography. You can select fonts. Only downside, Elementor is free. The only downside is that you can't use your own fonts with it. But sometimes you'll find, like one of the ones I use is actually on Google Fonts. And they do have Google Fonts on here. And then sometimes you can find a similar one that would work. We'll pick this one. So if you want to edit the size, you can edit that there. You can edit the transform is going to do just this. Make all the letters lowercase, uppercase. So we'll leave that on the default. And then if you want to make it italic, you can do that as well. Or if you want to put a line through it or an underline, you can do that as well. So to go back to that list of all those modules, we're going to click up here in the corner and then click once more. And let's go ahead and add an image now. Let's borrow this one. Okay, so we've got our image, but now we decided we want to make this a little smaller. We want to put some words next to it. So right up here in the corner, we'll right click on edit, and then we will hit add new column. And what that's going to do is it's going to split this so you can add two columns. Let's add some text over here. So let's go ahead and add just a little paragraph about our freebie we're offering here, about our landing page. So now that we've got our little paragraph just talking about what we're offering, so the next thing we're going to do is add a email form here, since this is a landing page for our freebie to grow our email list. So we're going to click Add New Section, and these are just the number of columns. If you want more than one, it'll let you pick 2, and it'll even let you pick how wide you want them. So I'm just going to add 1. Now we're going to click on this plus, and what we want is this HTML code. Drag that right over there. And this is where we're going to put everything, right over here in this box on the left. We're going to go over to our email form, and we're going to need this HTML code. That's the one we've got to use. So go ahead and copy that code, and then we're going to put it right here. Just paste it in, and then we'll update to save it. But now we've got this started. So now we're just going to mess with the design a little bit. So now that we have that there, maybe we can go ahead and just see if we can get this to be a little different in size. So we're going to right click on this section here, these little 6 dots. We're going to right click and hit Edit Section. And over here on the left, to change this kind of spacing, it'll let you pick on some options. Let's go ahead and move it like that. We'll update it. Now we're going to mess with this over here, the styles. Now that we've got this differently, just a little bit differently sized, let's make this title centered. So we'll click on it, and right over here we can click down at the bottom on the left, center, and it will center that. This background needs to be just a soft color. So down at the settings option, under style, you can pick a classic color, a gradient. So let's add a color here. Now that's a little bit too drastic. So let's just pull back on that. Make it just a little softer. And this is just kind of making it a little more see-through, with transparency. So it just softens it up a little bit. We'll go ahead and update. And then at this point, it's purely just tweaking the design however you like. Don't forget to subscribe down below for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Central. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.